Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to add contacts on WhatsApp web. So here is my WhatsApp web, and as you can see there aren't any options here in order for us to add contact. So we're going to go ahead and make a way for that. Now there's actually a way in order to get that done, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. First things first, I want you to go ahead and open your extensions. Here, go ahead and open Chrome Web Store. Now here we are just going to go ahead and look for InTouch app. Alright, this one here, InTouch app. And now there are two options here, but we're going to go ahead and utilize the free one, the one that has 113 reviews or so. Now go ahead and click this one here, and then click add to Chrome. And now it has been added. Now go ahead and click the extension, click this one here in order to have it at the top. Now we're going to go ahead and close the others. Now from this point forward, I'm just going to go ahead and refresh this one. Alright, now that I have refreshed my WhatsApp, here I am. Now I'm going to go ahead and click this, and as you can see, I have already logged in here. Just go ahead and click this one here. If you haven't, then you can just go ahead and log in from the start. Now take note that if you're going to log in, you also have to log in from your phone. Basically download this same application, because what it does is that it is going to sync data or contacts from your phone and here in your WhatsApp web. So that is the purpose of this one here. Now we're going to go ahead and open this one, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get that done. Go ahead and click this plus sign here, and as you can see, there is an option here to add new contact. So go ahead and click that one. And then all you have to do is just fill out everything here and click save and chat. Yep, that's how easy it is. Now, apart from that, there's also other options here. Go ahead and click this once again, and you have here find and save numbers, manage contacts, import contacts, so on and so forth. Now, as you can see, there are credits here available, meaning you can only add up to 99 or 100 balance. If you have used all of it, then you're going to go ahead and click buy more credits. But yeah, that's basically how you're going to do it. Congratulations, everybody. Now you know how to add contacts on WhatsApp web. Should you wish to see more of these videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Have a good day, everyone.